Hi, this is Muhammad Rafiq. Welcome to my tech channel. If you new here, make sure click that subscribe button and enable bell icon for getting notifications for my future video uploads. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to find Wi-Fi password on your Windows 10 computer. Let me show you how to find it. For that, just click on Start menu and type CMD and click on Run as Administrator, and it will open command prompt. Just enter this command over here. This command I will mention on video description. Hit enter and it will show all the Wi-Fi names before you connected over here. And for example, I want to know about the Wi-Fi password on the last one, so you have to enter this command over here. This command I will mention on the video description. You can find over there. Hit enter. Now you can see the Wi-Fi password is showing here, which is key content. For that, just right click on Wi-Fi icon and click on Open Network and Internet Settings. And here just click on Change Adapter Options. And here just select Wi-Fi and right click on it and click on Status, and here click on Wireless Properties and click on Security, and here click on Show Characters, and you can see the Wi-Fi name showing here. And if you go the command window, you can see same password over there. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If this video was helpful for you, please like the video, and if you have any queries, please comment below the video. I will look into it.